Tell me about how you are messaging the idea of value at Domino's without digging too deep of a hole that you're creating Domino's to be just a value-oriented brand.
Yeah, I think it's been a challenge. So many brands are trying to yell value, but they're kind of picking the thing that is the cheapest for them to promote at the lowest price. And then consumers are going, but I don't want that. That's not the thing I wanted. And so what's interesting about our best deal ever at $9.99, that's not the lowest price point, but it is a great price point. And I think the brilliance and the value of it is it lets customers get actually what they really want.
Sure.
The crust type they want, the number of toppings they want, and it helps consumers kind of explore and take a little more risk. So I think you have to be really careful when value is so important, not just going for a low price point, because it is so much more than the price point. It's also the whole package of value that you get.